Hello and welcome to probably the most formal edition of the More Minute. Today I want to talk about the importance of going on site with customers and walking them through what they've been able to accomplish in your executive business reviews or quarterly business reviews. So really this all starts with having an agenda. Somewhere where you've documented and written down, I think pictures or graphs or even better, somewhere where you can show the benchmarks, the milestones, all the activities that your customer has done and what they've been able to achieve with your solution. And of course, it's always best if you can show this in the milestones that matter to your customers. So the milestones that you might care about internally, such as users or expansion, really doesn't matter as much as helping your customers achieve their own goals and their own business results. So being sure to document everything that you're doing in a way that helps with business results for your customers is pretty key. And most importantly, it's reinforcing that idea of anticipated regret and blame. And I think you can do this every time you're speaking with a customer by showing your customer the sunk cost, all of that time and energy that they've already put into your solution, which only encourages them to keep renewing and going even further with their existing solution, all of which will help you when it comes time to renew. So take the time and do your executive business reviews well, show documentation and visual elements that help with communicating that sunk cost and that existing investment that your customer has already met with you. And finally, agenda's written backwards, so oh my God, this tripod, guys, it's not. And I literally tried to already write on this whiteboard, but it didn't really work. How do we write it correctly? Is that an A? Okay, hang on, this thing is not secure. This is not secure. And guys, I don't know. I can't write backwards. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Too much of me. You're asking too much of me.